Hi, this is Liz Horror Fan coming at you with another Dollar Tree haul video. I got this hand fan, this pink one, and then I got one in blue also. And then I got two more, this other pink one, which I like better than the other two. And then I got one in purple, which is my favorite. They didn't have a blue one in this style, only in the other two. I think they also had another one. I think it was a brown. And then I got these cupcake squishies, this purple one. And then I got one in pink. These are the only two colors that they had. And then I got this fragrance oil. It's vanilla scent. It's oil that you use in one of those oil warmers. They also had other scents too. They had black cherry. They had, I think, apple cinnamon, and I forgot the third one that they had. And then I got these rose soaps. They come apart. The petals, the rose petals, come apart, and each piece is a thin piece of soap. I got it to put in that pink bathtub that I got from Target in their Valentine's Day section. If you didn't see it, you can go back and watch my Target haul video. I think it's called Target Valentine's Day haul or just Target haul. And I got it to put in that cute little plastic claw pink bathtub. And then I also got a pack of this pink Easter grass to put in the plastic bathtub that I got. And then I can rest my soaps on it on the grass. And then, let's see, what else did I got? Oh yeah, I got this Coca-Cola glass. It's in the shape of a can, and I thought that was really cool. I first saw this in another YouTube video in somebody else's Dollar Tree haul, so I was glad to see that my Dollar Tree also had it. I have some Coca-Cola glasses, other ones I have, so this will go good with my collection that I have of my Coca-Cola glasses. And then I got this cute Valentine's Day trinket box. They also had one, instead of with the polka dots, they also had one with stripes on it. This is pretty good quality. It's pretty heavy. I'm probably going to keep it out all year round, not just for Valentine's Day, because it's too cute. I'll probably might put it on my nightstand. I don't know. And I think the last thing I got was, more Garbage Pail Kids cards. But I already opened them and I put them in my card sleeve already. So yeah. I think these were like the best packs I got so far. There's a Mario one in here that I thought was really cool. It's called Lude Luigi, which I don't know why it's called Lude Luigi, because it's obviously Mario, not Luigi. I like this, if you can tell. Bowser is flushing him down the toilet. That's Bowser's hand, and then Mario's trying to get that star. And then this one was really cute too. This one, Gooey Huey. He's a marshmallow on a stick being roasted on an open fire. And then this one was kind of disgusting, Fiona Fairy. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, she's trying to pull out somebody's molars. Ew. And then I got this Limber Leonardo, which I thought it was just funny. And Crime Scene Dean, which the chalk outline, he's farting on it. And then Musical Mike, yeah, this one was kind of gross too. And then this other one, Stretched Sal. So yeah, that's it for my haul. So thanks for watching again. If you like this video, please thumbs up and leave a comment. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next haul video. Thanks, bye.